Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Fenrir. Alright, we're doing another Bakugan Star Pack opening, so let's get to it. I'm hoping I found more by the time I upload this video. Anyway. So, this packet contains the Olurus Riparian Ultra, the Aquas Hydrus, and a Pyrus Centipod. Again, Aquas Hydrus, already owned. There's the back. And now, the fun of opening this stupid packet. I'm doing the tapes down here, so I don't have that same trouble I had with the last box opening. Get on done. Okay. Okay, here we go. 3, 2. Open. Oh my god, the cards just flew. The cards flew out. They're a witch! Okay, so obviously the Riparian has a little tag on it, which I'm gonna save it from. Got it. Leave these two off camera. Out of the way. Alright. So, here is the Olurus Riparian. As you can see, there's the 200 B power. It's not bad, I guess. So, then we have the Pyrus Centipod. I mean, this is like my third Centipod, yeah. 600 B power. He's actually powerful. And of course, we have the dud, the Aquas Hydrus. I hate getting the duds. So many duds. Duds, duds, duds. Wait, is he a dud? I'm not sure if he's a dud. I might double check that. Anyway, here's the gate card. Comes with Pyro Cannon, Silent Spears, Baku Thrusters, Centipod, 600 B power and 4 crit. Hydrus, 400 B power, 4 crit. And Riparian Ultra, 200 B power, 8 crit. That's powerful. That is actually powerful. Anyway, alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys stay safe, and I'm hoping I find more of this wave before this video is uploaded. Alright, see you next time.